Good morning/afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Today, we'll be discussing CAPA, which stands for Corrective Action and Preventive Action. This is an essential topic for ensuring quality and continuous improvement in our processes. I'm excited to guide you through the key concepts and best practices. Over the next few slides, we'll explore what CAPA is, why it matters, and how to effectively implement it. Let's get started. So let's talk about what CAPA really is. CAPA stands for Corrective and Preventive Action. It's a key part of quality management. Corrective action, or CA, is all about reacting to problems that have already happened. It's about taking steps to eliminate the root cause of an issue, error, or nonconformance. Basically, once something goes wrong, we fix it and make sure it doesn't happen again. On the other hand, preventive action, or PA, is proactive. It's about identifying potential problems before they occur and taking measures to prevent them from happening in the first place. To put it simply, corrective action is about fixing a problem that's already there, and preventive action is about stopping problems before they start. Both are crucial for maintaining quality and continuous improvement in our processes. Connecting this to the overall theme, implementing effective CAPA helps us not just solve issues, but also build stronger, more reliable systems moving forward. So, why is CAPA, or Corrective and Preventive Action, so important in our processes? Well, first and foremost, it ensures product quality and safety. By identifying and addressing risks related to defective products, malfunctions, or contamination, CAPA helps us deliver safe and reliable products to our customers. Next, CAPA drives continuous improvement. It fosters a culture where we're always looking for ways to get better, systematically tackling issues as they arise and implementing effective solutions. This ongoing effort helps us stay ahead and maintain high standards. Another key benefit is operational efficiency and cost reduction. When we prevent problems from recurring, it means less rework, less scrap, and fewer recalls, all of which translate into significant cost savings. For those in regulated industries like medical devices or pharmaceuticals, CAPA is not just good practice, it's a requirement. Agencies like the FDA mandate a robust CAPA process to ensure compliance and uphold safety standards. Finally, addressing and preventing quality issues also boosts customer trust and strengthens our reputation. When customers see our commitment to quality and safety, their confidence in our brand grows. So, as you can see, CAPA isn't just a process. It's a crucial part of delivering quality, maintaining compliance, and building trust in everything we do. Let's walk through the CAPA workflow, which is central to effective problem-solving and continuous improvement. First, we start by identifying the problem, clearly understanding what issue we're facing. Then, we record and assess the impact of that problem to understand its significance and scope. Next, we investigate and analyze the root cause, finding out why the problem occurred in the first place, which is crucial for developing effective solutions. After pinpointing the root cause, we define the corrective action, what we need to do to fix the immediate issue. Alongside that, we also define preventive actions, steps to ensure the problem doesn't happen again in the future. Once these actions are planned, we implement them, putting our solutions into practice. It's important to verify the effectiveness of these actions, making sure they truly resolve the problem and prevent recurrence. Finally, we document everything thoroughly and close the CAPA process, ensuring that the learnings are captured and the process is complete. This workflow helps us systematically address issues and drive continuous improvement across our organization. Let's look at an example of a mix-up in raw material labeling. The issue here was that a wrong label was found on a raw material container, which could potentially lead to serious quality issues. In our investigation, we found that the operator did not cross-check the label before using the material. Additionally, the Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP, was not followed properly in this instance. To address this, we took corrective actions by segregating the affected batch to prevent any further use of potentially mislabeled materials. We also retrained our operators on the correct labeling procedures outlined in the SOP to reinforce proper practices. Looking at preventive measures, we introduced a barcode scanning system to improve accuracy and reduce human error. We also updated the SOP to include a double verification step, ensuring that 2 separate checks are performed before any raw material is used. This example highlights how a small mistake can be tackled through proper investigation, corrective actions, and preventive strategies, all of which are essential components of our overall quality management approach. Let's take a look at some of the key regulatory expectations surrounding CAPA. First, the FDA 21 CFR Part 211.192 emphasizes the importance of thorough investigation in CAPA. This means that when a deviation or quality issue occurs, companies are required to conduct a detailed investigation to understand the root cause and then implement appropriate corrective and preventive actions. Moving on, the ICH Q10 guideline highlights the Pharmaceutical Quality System, or PQS, and underscores CAPA as a core component. Essentially, CAPA is vital for maintaining and improving product quality within a robust quality management system. Finally, the EU GMP Chapter 1 also recognizes CAPA as a key element of quality management. Across these regulations, the consistent theme is that CAPA isn't just a procedural step. It's a fundamental part of ensuring continuous quality improvement and compliance. Connecting this back to our overall theme, these regulations reinforce that effective CAPA processes are essential for meeting regulatory standards and safeguarding product integrity. They're not optional, they are a critical part of our quality culture. Now, let's talk about some best practices for CAPA that can really make a difference. First, using a risk-based approach is essential. This means we prioritize issues based on their potential impact, ensuring we're addressing the most critical problems first. It keeps us focused and efficient. Next, it's important to set clear responsibilities and timelines. When everyone knows what they need to do and by when, it helps keep the process on track and accountability high. Monitoring the progress and effectiveness of our CAPA actions is also crucial. We need to regularly check whether our solutions are working and make adjustments if necessary. Proper documentation can't be overlooked, especially for audits. Keeping thorough records shows due diligence and helps demonstrate that we're following our procedures correctly. Finally, fostering a culture of continuous improvement is key. When everyone is committed to learning and evolving, our processes become stronger and issues become less frequent over time. By integrating these practices, we ensure our CAPA system supports quality and compliance in a meaningful way. In conclusion, CAPA, or corrective and preventive actions, plays a crucial role in ensuring that we meet compliance standards, maintain high quality, and most importantly, safeguard patient safety. When properly implemented, CAPA helps us prevent the recurrence of issues by addressing root causes effectively. This proactive approach not only resolves immediate problems, but also strengthens our overall quality management system. A strong CAPA system is fundamental in the pharmaceutical industry because it builds trust, minimizes risks, and supports continuous improvement. So, by integrating robust CAPA practices, we reinforce our commitment to delivering safe, effective, and high-quality products for patients worldwide. Questions and discussion. Thank you all for your attention today. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have. This is a great opportunity to clarify anything or dive a little deeper into the topics we covered. Remember, engaging in this kind of dialogue really helps solidify the concepts and connect them to your own experiences. So please, don't hesitate to ask or share your insights. Thank you again for being here and for your participation. Now, any questions?